Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your spammy backlink cleanup plan with Majestic, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Majestic account. Once logged in, navigate to the Site Explorer tab at the top of the page. Enter the URL of your website in the search bar and click on Search. Review the results displayed on the page. Focus on the backlinks section to analyze your site's backlink profile. Check for any links that appear spammy or irrelevant to your niche. To filter the backlinks, select Advanced Reports from the left-hand menu. Here, you can customize your report to show specific metrics. Consider setting filters for trust flow and citation flow to identify low-quality links. Review the filtered list closely to pinpoint any harmful backlinks. Remember to take notes on any links you want to target for removal. Next, use the Disavow tool offered by Majestic for those backlinks you'll disavow. Go to the Tools section and select Disavow Links. Follow the prompts to create a new disavow file. In the file, list the URLs of the links you wish to disavow. Make sure to format the file properly according to Google's guidelines. Once your disavow file is ready, head to Google Search Console. Select your property and navigate to the Links section. Upload your disavow file here to notify Google. After submitting your disavow file, return to Majestic to monitor changes. Periodically check the backlinks report to assess any updates. You might want to repeat this process regularly to maintain a clean backlink profile. Consider setting a schedule to review your backlinks every few months. This proactive approach will help protect your website's ranking and integrity. Utilizing Majestic effectively ensures a thorough and ongoing cleanup of spammy backlinks. Stay informed about changes in SEO practices to adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can maintain a strong and healthy backlink profile for your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.